Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for ways to grow your hair faster and healthier, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 10 essential tips to help you boost your hair growth naturally. So, grab your favorite drink, and let's dive in. First things first, growing hair isn't just about what you put on your hair, but also what you put in your body. So, let's start with tip number 1. Use a wide tooth comb. A wide tooth comb is gentler on your hair than a regular comb or brush, which can cause breakage and tangles. Use a wide tooth comb to detangle your hair in the shower, starting from the ends and working your way up. Scalp care is a must. Take care of your scalp. It's like the soil for your hair. If it's healthy, your hair will thrive. A quick scalp massage for just a few minutes a day can increase blood flow to your follicles and promote growth. And using oils like coconut oil or castor oil will nourish your scalp and boost hair health. Minimize heat and chemical damage. Lay off the heat. Hot tools like straighteners and curling irons can cause breakage. If you do need to use them, always apply a heat protectant beforehand, and try to limit chemical treatments. Things like perms, relaxers, and frequent dyeing can weaken your hair. Regular trims. Yes, really. Now, I know this sounds counterintuitive, but regular trims actually help your hair grow faster in the long run. It might seem like cutting your hair would make it shorter, but trimming those split ends will prevent breakage, helping your hair look fuller and healthier. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Hydrated hair is less likely to be dry or brittle, and it will grow stronger and healthier. So aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Nourish your hair with a healthy diet. Protein is key. Your hair is made of keratin, which is a protein, so you need to make sure you're eating enough of it. Think lean meats, eggs, beans, and even nuts. And don't forget your vitamins. Vitamin C, vitamin D, biotin are all super important for strong and healthy hair growth. Protect your hair from the sun. The sun's UV rays can damage your hair and cause color fade. Use a hat or a hair product with SPF to protect your hair. Don't overwash your hair. Overwashing can strip your hair of its natural oils, leading to dryness and breakage. Try to limit your washing to 2 to 3 times per week. Sleep on silk or satin. Switch to silk or satin pillowcases. They reduce friction, which means less hair breakage while you sleep. Plus, it's gentler on your skin too. Win-win. Manage your stress. Stress is one of the major culprits behind hair loss. Incorporate some stress-relieving activities into your routine, like yoga, meditation, or even going for a walk. When you're relaxed, your hair will be too. Avoid tight hairstyles. Constantly pulling your hair into tight ponytails or braids can cause breakage and even lead to a condition called traction alopecia, where the hair weakens and falls out. Go for looser styles or give your hair a break from tight updos. Keep your hair moisturized. Think of your hair like a plant. It needs water to grow. Use a hydrating shampoo and conditioner, and don't forget to leave in a moisturizing mask once a week. So, there you have my top tips to help you grow your hair faster, healthier, and stronger. Whether you're trying to repair damage or just want to boost your growth, consistency is key. Your hair journey is unique, so don't be discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Patience is the secret to long-term success. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update from me. Also, let me know in the comments, what's your favorite hair care tip? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.